Okay, so they're telling us the congruency statement, and this picture is not drawn to scale because that's not my strength. Okay, so I'm going to put the letters underneath each other, and the first thing I'm going to do is set up two fractions, and I'm going to put the 24 and the x plus 9, the guys on the left triangle, the first triangle, okay? Whenever you see a sum, you're going to add parentheses. Do not forget to add the parentheses. And now you've got to figure out who goes with which side. So this 24 here is MH. So it's this one. So we're going to match it up with HF, which is this 36. Does everybody understand how I got that?
No.
It's what we did yesterday. Who does MH go with, or HM? HM goes with HF. You look at the letters underneath it. And then you find that side. Here is HF, and here is HM. They go together because they're underneath each other when you list them like that. So when I cross multiply, I want to do this step first. You guys are going to make mistakes if you don't do it. Write out the 36 with the parenthesis and make it equal to 24 times 24, which is 576. And then we're going to make sure we distribute that 36. Now 36 times x is 36x, and 36 times 9 is 324, and that equals 576. Now I subtract the 324 from both sides, and 576 minus 324 is 252, and you can verify that if you want to. And when you divide by 36, you get that x equals 7, and that's all they want you to find is x. So the easiest way to look at this problem's not going to give you a congruency statement, but all of them are the same, and you can pull them out to where you have the big guy and the little guy. And the little guy is this guy right here. Do you understand that? And the big guy is the whole thing. So now let's just look at the big guy. The big guy has a 2x minus 11 up there, has an 18 over here, and has a 21 over here. The little guy has 10, 12, and 14. Every single one of these problems, the triangles are in the same orientation. So the left side goes with the left side, the top goes with the top, the bottom goes with the bottom. So just be careful where you put stuff. I see a sum here. Remember, I have to add the parenthesis. And now I'm going to put all of the guys on the left on top, which is 18, 2x minus 11 with a parenthesis, and 21. So now the 18 goes with the 12 because it's the left side. Who goes with the 2x minus 11? The 10. They're both on the right upper side. And 21 goes with the 14. Now if you notice, you have two fractions that look different, but they both reduce. Remember my trick about reducing fractions? If you have both numbers, reduce them in your calculator so you don't have big numbers. Both of these reduce to 3/2. And this one is also 3/2. So it doesn't matter which one you use. You're going to just pick one of the 3/2. And now I just cross multiply. And I do what we did before. We have 2 times 2x minus 11 equals 30, because 3 times 10 is 30. And then you distribute that 2. You get 4x minus 22 equals 30. 4x equals 52. And when I divide 52 by 4, I get 13.